Hey guys, welcome to my monthly update on my dividend stock portfolio. As a quick reminder, 7 months ago, I started a new dividend stock portfolio where I invest $1,000 each month into dividend stocks. And you can see that I've invested a total of $7,000 so far during those 7 months. This table contains 18 different dividend paying companies that I own in my portfolio, the average cost at the time of my investment in each company, the number of shares that I own in each company, and the total investment, which is just average cost multiplied by number of shares. And you'll see that my total investment is $7,036.88, which is more than $7,000 that I moved just because I've been reinvesting dividends that I'm receiving from the stocks. And in the next two columns, in these orange and red cells, I manually type the current price of each stock in this column and any dividends that I've received so far since my investment in each company to be able to get the total account value as of today. And then in the last two columns, I have the profit or loss in dollars first, and then in percentages for each company that I've invested in. Cells in green colors is where I'm making money as of today, and cells in red colors is where I'm losing money. So looking at this table as a whole, there are a couple of different things that stand out to me. The first thing is the number of companies where I'm losing money. So out of 18 companies that I'm currently invested in, only 4 of those companies are having losses, which is BMW, BP, Ford, and Volkswagen. And in terms of percentages, 4 divided by 18 companies means that I'm losing money in about 22% of the companies that I've invested in. But I don't see anything concerning about the losses because they are very tiny. BMW is losing $27, BP only $50, Ford $8, and Volkswagen $10. So now let's focus on the most profitable companies in dollar values. Stanley Black & Decker is currently in the first place where I'm making $289 on my investment so far. Another company is Clorox where I'm making $110 in profit so far. And the third company is 3M Corporation where I'm making $91 in profit. And in terms of the most profitable companies in percentage returns, I have 3M Corporation at number 1 with 48.5% return so far. Stanley Black & Decker is at number 2 with 30.9%, and Avalon Bay is at number 3 with 30.3% return. So overall, the current value of my account as of today is $7,807.33, which is $807 more than my initial $7,000 investment. That means that out of the $7,000 that I've invested so far, I'm up by 11.5% on my portfolio. Each month, I'll continue investing $1,000 of my own money into dividend stocks, and I'll share all my investments with you in my monthly videos. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.